So you see the probability of obtaining 256 heads if I flip 500 coins is 0.0308. Seems like a really small number. In fact, if I wanted to do, I could very simply calculate what the probability is of obtaining 250 heads out of 500. So half heads, half tails. That turns out to be, probability of getting 250 heads is something like 0.0356. Again, it seems like a small number. But let's ask the question, suppose I were to ask what the probability is of getting 300 heads and 200 tails out of 500 coin flips. And it turns out that that probability of getting 300 heads is 1.6 times 10 to the minus 6th. Microscopically small. What this tells you, or at least hints at, is this probability distribution is extremely steeped. And once you leave about the mean, you'd expect the mean to be about 250 out of 500. Once you depart from that very much, the probability distribution drops off precipitously. And that's just one of the interesting things about probability. One thing that I'll just sort of bring up before we finish this lecture is to say that when you can find a probability distribution that's extremely steep, that's making a prediction of a particular result. And when it's that steep, you expect that an experimental result is going to turn out to be just that value. And most of the time, of course, or virtually all of the time, it does. So that's one of the ways, one of the hints I have of how we're going to work in this course, using statistics to predict what experimental results will be. Let's pick up with more counting states in the next lecture.